subscribe. And yeah, today we're gonna be showing y'all my stuffed animals that I got. But before we do that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my TikToks below. And then follow my TikTok. Uniform here. So now it actually doesn't know. So yeah, definitely it is. Hold on, let me show you what time it is. And I'm still up. Okay, let me stop. I should have for real. So, let me tell you what they are because I don't know what they are. But I should know what they are. Wait, hold on. So, this is the first one I got, which is my Build-A-Bear. My Build-A-Bear that I got with her little shoes. Her name is, I forgot her name. I named her something, I forgot it. The paper in my drawer somewhere, but this is Build-A-Bear. My Build-A-Bear. This is a lot of stuff from the Toy Story. We got this. I don't know who this is. I got this from Five Below. I just remember getting this from some Five Below. We got this. My mother got me this for Valentine's Day. She got me a brother on this for Valentine's Day. Then we got this Stitch. I got this. I got this for Christmas. Then we got this Stitch. I got this off of Shein. Then we got Angel. And then here's Angel. I also got this off of Shein. And then here's a Stitch again. I got this from Five Below. Y'all see how it is below the ice cream with the little popsicle right there? got this stitch, and I also got this from Theyluvvv. I see like the little hearts up there. Then I got this stitch. I think I also got this from Theyluvvv. I don't remember. I think this one came from Theyluvvv too. Then we got this one. I got this off of Shein. I got this one right here from off of Shein. Then y'all gonna watch me put it back to Then we got Hello Kitty. I got this for Christmas. Oh, my bad, y'all. Then we got this stitch, and I got this one this came from Theyluvvv too. Like you probably like, dang girl, how many stitches you got? A lot. Then I got this stitch. I got this for Christmas as well. Then the last, oh wait, not last, from behind me. Then I got this angel. And then the last thing that I gotta show y'all is this. I got this big old stitch, and that's all I had. So now I'm going to put all of them back. Now I gotta set y'all up so y'all can watch me put them back. So it's like this how I put him. This how I put him. So I put this one first. So I put this one first. Then I put this one. Then I put this one. Then I put this one. And I put this one. Put this one. this one. And this one. This down. Oh wait, actually, did I do this? Did I do this one? This one. Oh yeah, by the way, y'all got it now. There's a watermelon in this mouth. Did I do this one? I do this. I forgot my number. This one I'm supposed to do behind them. I forgot to show y'all. But this one, Hello Kitty, I might put it back here. This one. Do this one. And I do this one. This one. Yeah, so that's how I do it. That's how I do it, y'all. And then there you go. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all.
Take you farther than Mexico. Yeah, yeah. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you, shorty.